Hello everyone, this is Kanamate. I made this a Mercedes S600 out of clay. I made this Mercedes out of clay, both sculpting clay and colored children's clay. I used sculpting clay to make the car's underbody, interior, engine, and wheels, and the whole body was made from colored children's clay. I made the windows out of transparent plastic, cutting them to fit the shapes. Dynamic music. The wheels are also made of clay, the tires from sculpting clay, and the rims themselves from colored children's clay. Let's open the hood and see what's underneath. And underneath, we have a V-shaped engine with a 6-liter engine and a power output of 390 horsepower. I also worked on the underside of the car, the rear axle, the exhaust system, the drive shaft, and so on. Now I'll show you some photos of how I built this car. Stay here, it'll be interesting. This is how I managed to build it. I planned to finish it in a week, but it didn't work out, so I ended up doing it in 2 weeks. Initially, I wanted to make it for a crash test, but for that, I needed to make the body parts thin for more realistic damage. But they were losing their shape, so I had to reinforce them further with modeling clay. So it's not suitable for a crash test. I think I'll make some mobsters or gangsters from the 90s and blow it up in a cool way. But that's a topic for another video. This one is just a review. Well, that's it for now. I hope you liked how I made it. If you did, why not subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to join the V-Contact group where I share my model building process. The group link is in the video description. Kanumate here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.